All right, let's talk about a word that you probably use all the time, maybe almost every single day. It's a word so common, you might think, what's there to know? Well, turns out there's a lot more to it than you might think. And that word is office. Yeah, seems simple, right? It's just a place you go to work. But what if I told you that this everyday word actually has this unique, really powerful status in the English language?
Of course you know it. You know what it means to go to the office. You know what it means to run for office. But its real power isn't just in those definitions. It's in its incredible usefulness, which has earned it a spot on a very, very special list.
And here it is. Here's the secret. According to the Simple English Wikipedia, the word office is on the Basic English 850 list. Now, this isn't just some random list of words. It's a super carefully chosen group of the most essential words in the entire English language. That number, 850, is so important. Just try to imagine building a whole, functional version of a language with only 850 words. To make that work, every single word on that list has to do some serious heavy lifting. It's got to be unbelievably versatile and powerful. So that's exactly what we're going to unpack. To really get why office made the cut, we need to look at it from a few different angles. We're going to check out its meanings, the other words it helps create, and what that tells us about how language really works. Okay, let's start with the basics. One of the main reasons office is so useful is because it does double duty. It packs two totally different but super common and important ideas into just one little word.
So, first up, you've got the one we all think of first, the physical place. Like her office is the third door on the left. This is the office with desks, computers, all that stuff. It's a concrete noun for a real location. Simple enough, right?
But then you have this second, more abstract meaning, as in, he holds the office of senator. See, this isn't a room you can walk into. It's a role, a position of authority, a post. It's the whole idea of having a formal title or a big responsibility.
And this, right here, shows you its power perfectly. On one side, you've got the place, a physical workspace. On the other, you've got the position, a role of authority. Being able to communicate both of these fundamental ideas with just one word makes office incredibly efficient. But wait, it doesn't stop there. The usefulness of office goes even deeper. See, it isn't just a standalone word. It's the foundation for a whole family of related concepts.
Just look at how this unfolds. You start with the core noun, office. From that, you get officer. That's the person who holds an office. From there, you get official, which describes something that's done with the authority of that office. And that leads you right to the verb officiate, the act of actually doing the duties of an office. One word becomes a whole toolkit for talking about people, authority, and actions. Okay, so let's tie this all together. Why does all of this versatility land office on such an exclusive list? Well, this really gets to the core of what basic English is all about.
And this is a really crucial point. Basic in this context doesn't mean simplistic or, childish. It means foundational. The 850 words on this list are like powerful, multi-purpose tools. And they were chosen because they can express a massive range of ideas clearly and effectively. And office is just the perfect example. So why is it on the list? Well, because, as we've seen, it's common, everybody understands it, it's versatile, it covers both a physical place and an abstract idea, and it's foundational. It's the root for a whole family of other essential words like officer and official.
And that's really the big takeaway here. The words we so often take for granted, the ones that seem the most basic, are actually the most powerful. It's like they're the load-bearing pillars of the entire language. Getting to know them isn't just about building your vocabulary, it's about seeing the elegant and efficient system that's working right under our noses. So it kind of leaves you with a fascinating question to think about. The next time you use an everyday word, just pause for a second and think about all the work it's doing. What other simple words in your vocabulary are hiding this kind of incredible power?